Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tina. I hope everybody's having a great Tuesday. Please like, share, and subscribe. I did one of my coasters last night. I know some of y'all wanted to see one done. So there's one. It's very sparkly. Hold on just a minute. There we go. It's very sparkly. All right. I also have my Indian double-sided adhesive painting finished. I'll show you that also. I love this. It turned out so good. The sparkle on this is beautiful. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? The sparkle and shine is just amazing. Yeah, it turned out great. Let's see. Nothing's stuck in there. But yeah. Like I said, the sparkle for a budget friendly, it looks great. All right. I'm going to show you 3 canvases that came out of the auction bin. I don't know what they are. I just grabbed 3, so you gotta forgive me. All right. This one is stuck. All right. It's a 40 by 30. 27 colors, 1's a 1, 2's a 2, all the way to 9's a 9, and 10 through 27 is uppercase random alphabets. And there we go. I want to say these are the moons, different phases of the moon. And these look like flowers. I don't know. I don't know. Sticks good. There's a crevice right there, though. Big crease. Yeah. It's a big crease right there. It's like it got warped or something. It just needs to be stretched out. Alright. Here's the thumbnail. Almost like different phases of the moon. And then you got flowers down there. I don't know. Interesting. Drill field. It is clear. Did come with the standard boat, Plano Max, squishy pen with the multi-placer, and some baggies. And here's the colors. They are in the trains. That's that one. And the next one. This looks like Stitch. Oh, it is 30 by 40. 17 colors. 1's a 1, 2's a 2, all the way to 8's an 8, and 9 through 17 is uppercase alphabets. A through K. Look, it's Stitch. He has this shiny canvas. It's very shiny. I mean, you can't see it, but I wish you could. See, it's a shiny canvas. I don't like it when they fold them in half. Puts a crease in there. The stick is good. Something on it right there. Don't know what that was. This is going to be a cute one. Here's the thumbnail. He's holding his little bear. The drill field looks clear. And it's so cute. Alright, it comes with some baggies, your standard boat, your Plano wax, 2 clear pens, 1 big straightener, a squishy. It came with a 6 or a 7 placer. So this little kit's a little bougie. 2 clear pens, and the straightener, and the baggies. Yeah. And the colors. Look at them pretty colors. It's going to be a lot of teals in this one, and light colors. And blues. Yeah, this one's going to be cute. One of my grandbabies will like that one. All right, and the last one. 30 by 40, 26 colors. 1's a 1, 2's a 2, all the way to 9's a 9, and 10 through 26 is random uppercase alphabets. This one's a little softer canvas, but it's still the rough, but it's not as stiff as the others. Straightener. The stick is good. Thinking about, let me know your thoughts on this because I have an idea. My daughter-in-law, we do a lot of crafts. She does tumblers, crochet. I mean, she makes a lot of stuff. She's very, very crafty. So we're thinking about starting a crafting business, and I was gonna create a Facebook page so we can take orders from there temporarily and, you know, sell some of our stuff we make. So let me know with your thoughts. I mean, would that be something y'all would be interested in joining to see what we post? Because I'm probably going to create the page probably this weekend. So y'all let me know if y'all would like to join our post. And like I said, she makes a lot of, she does knitting, crocheting. She does a lot of, she makes the tumblers, you know, like the 40-ounce tumblers, 20-ounce, you know, all kinds of, I mean, we just making all kinds of stuff. Let me know if you'd like to join and see what we, you know, what we have to sell. Because like I said, I'm thinking about creating the page this weekend, because if I don't, I'm never going to do it. So we've been talking about it and talking about it. So I told her it's just time for us to do it. We're not looking to get rich. We're just trying to make a little extra money. Some walking around money. My grandpa used to say folding money, pocket money. Material field is clear. So this here looks like a it's hard to tell. I know these look like flowers. I don't know if this is like a little river running through a canyon type thing, a mountain. That's what it looks like to me in the camera. Let me know your thoughts. It did come with the bougie kit. It has the white Mosfa tray, a couple plates of wax, some baggies, the tweezers, 2 pins with a multi-placer. Looks like a 4-placer and a 6 or a 7-placer. So there's the tray and some baggies. So it's a little bougie. And there's the pretty drills. They are in the train and is around. Pretty colors. Gorgeous colors, y'all. All right, my friends, I'm going to stop rambling now. I will catch you guys tomorrow, and stay safe, stay hydrated, and you guys stay cool. All right, much love and big hugs. God bless. Bye-bye.